It's 1994, and this is Bounty Dog. Bounty Dog is a great example of what OVAs from the 90s were all about, and it's one that I personally just can't help but to enjoy. The moody, color-washed cyberpunk aesthetics are in perfect keeping with the era, and so is the story. Mature, dark, flirting with incoherence, and packed with solid action and likable, if not super memorable, characters. Bounty Dog is by no means a masterpiece, but there's no denying it as an immersive 90s experience that perfectly captures the essence of its time. In the not-too-distant future, the moon has become host to a permanent human civilization, and Yoshiyuki Otomo and his mercenary team of corporate spies known as Bounty Dog are on their way there to investigate the Constance Corporation's mysterious Project Kaguya, which is suspected of being a secret and highly illegal weapons development program. Shortly after arriving on the moon, however, Yoshiyuki crosses paths with an enigmatic young woman named Inez that not only looks exactly like his deceased lover Yayoi, but also seems to know intimate details about Yoshiyuki's past, as well as Project Kaguya. And what started off as an ordinary investigation quickly turns into one man's struggle to fulfill his lover's dying wish and save humanity from annihilation. Bounty Dog delivers a blend of sci-fi and psychological elements and risky narrative structure delightfully typical of the 90s, and at only 2 half-hour episodes, it's a perfect candidate for your Friday night OVA double feature. So pair it up with Biohunter or Psycho Diver, or just watch it on its own, but either way, if you love 90s anime, then be sure to give Bounty Dog a chance, and let me know in the comments what you think.